Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक जेंडर एंड पैट्रियार्की है. In this video, we will discuss in detail about gender, its perspectives, what are gender bias and gender development. So let's begin. Radical feminism aim to remove supremacy of male from the society in all social and economic context. In my previous video, I have discussed about the feminism and its types, and radical feminism is one of them. Its objective is to recognize women's rights in society and encourage women to make their identity in the society. By gender, we means male or female. According to World Development Report, gender एक socially constructed norms and ideologies है जो men और women में difference उनके actions, behavior से बताता है. For example, like caring of children has defined out the role and responsibility of women, and it is man-made. It is defined as preference that inhibits impartiality or prejudice. ये एक suppression of gender in a way which prefer one sex over the other. Gender bias एक negative perception है of a male and female. Gender bias में एक unequal treatment होता है men और women को because of the gender. एक gender को higher power और favoritism दिया जाता है due to the gender issue. The concept of gender emerged with the Esther Bossef influential work in the early 1970s, जिसमें उन्होंने बताया कि status, position and notion of women's कितना beneficiary है for the development. In our gender identities and gender roles, explain about like कि sex refers to the biological and psychological differences between male and female on the basis of their reproductive structure. Gender refer to the social, cultural, behavior and emotional differences between men and women. जो main categories होती हैं of gender की that are masculine and feminine. Sex has two main categories, that is male and female. Gender influence होता है by social and cultural and behavioral factors. Like gender is flexible. They can be changed by time and culture. As we can see women can perform men's role, all social duties of men, that is be a doctor, engineer, etc. And men can also adopt women's social duties such as caring of children, looking after the family. But generally sex roles cannot be changed by time and culture. That is, only women can give birth to children, not male. And sex is created by the reproductive needs, that is biological feature. How does it all fit together? Gender identity is a psychological trait जो आपको define out करती है women and men में कि if it is having a beard तो वो men है, long है women है, non-gendered होता है. Gender expression has to be with how a person express him or herself as masculine or feminine through clothing and behavior. Gender expression एक outward presentation है. Biological sex is assigned at birth, and this define out कि female है, male है. It is a sex that define the gender. So we need to end the discrimination through education कि gender identity आप like कुछ काम ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें we make things कि ये role and responsibility is only done by female or male. No, we have to remove these obstacles from our mind. We have to make ourselves educated and others too regarding this. The factor leads to gender bias. जो male preference starts हो जाता है before birth, it just if the test by knowing कि coming baby is a boy, then the lady get well treatment and caring. And in other case, in India, 7,000 female fetus are aborted, the cause of male preference. Gender bias in higher studies. For girls staying apart from getting higher education, either for poverty, social stigma. right over decision making. Generally in our society women have little right over personal, social and economic decision के related. Absence of freedom, females को इतना freedom नहीं है, इतनी liberty नहीं है as men having. Disease and other health hazards. They have a gender bias in the field of caring. Mainly they live in stress, strain and anxiety. Females get lack of proper nutrition and care. Perspectives on human rights and gender justice. States have continued to call for progress towards gender equality through number of international agreements and conferences. ये मैंने previous video में in detail discuss करा है. You can check all the conference on women that has been in account for the development and what are the roles and what are the actions taken by for the women empowerment. Laws that are against the violation of gender in India. As in the preamble of the Constitution, India provides justice, liberty and equality for all citizens. उसके साथ साथ it grants equality to women but also empowers the state to adopt measures of in the empowerment and encouragement of women. These all are the articles, many more are there, and Article 14, Article 15 talks and proclaim all these things. You can have the glimpse on this slide to know about the laws of the violation against gender. Gender and development. As for sustainable development and achieving decent work for all women and men, gender is a critical element. Equal power relation will lead promotion of gender equality. Priorities of both women and men are clearly addressed, and they should be free. Boy, men, women, girls, जो भी हो, they should be free to develop their abilities and make choices. These are gender strategic principles कि promotion and respect होना चाहिए both men and women को, and they both have the contribution towards human security, whether environment, economic, social, cultural or personal. Diversity and participation. Both men and women should not be ignored. They should give the priorities and they should be encouraged. Some benefits from focusing on gender in development. So gender in development से बहुत positive changes आ सकते हैं gender relation में. More decision making, political participation होएगा by women in the community. Environment and communication skill भी बहुत अच्छा होएगा. Improve communication and mutual support between men and women on family planning. Increase knowledge by men of women's healthcare issues. These are the some benefits which can be done by gender in development. Gender and microfinance. As we know, in India, rural areas constantly deal with patriarchal attitudes and social stigma. बहुत सारे tradition, in the name of traditions, their voice are not heard and they are not encouraged to participate in economic or social. So evolution of microfinance recognized that we need a deprived class at all levels, including the top, to change the dynamic, reshape the conversation, to make sure their voices are heard and heeded, not overlooked and ignored. Microfinance designed किया गया to help poor borrowers, typically women, and start or sustain their own business and enable economic empowerment. Due to microfinance, India currently ranks 70th out of 77 countries covered in the Female Entrepreneurship Index and demonstrate the third highest gender gap in entrepreneurship across the world. Policy and planning for women बनाई गई, बहुत implement करी गई to make, encourage and to give the empowerment to the women. Deconstruction of the gender and empowerment of women can only be achieved by financially empowering women. So further, for gender equality to be fully achieved, it has to be integrated in all development programs of the country. So at the end, the concept of gender and the place of women in development perspective, both in a general as well as Indian context. Gender relationship that exists inequalities can be removed, or gender-based development for providing credit, training, skills and resources indeed for productive decision-making process and community power structure. Development of women implies their successes in overcoming the underlying structural inequalities. So gender in development is basically to improve the qualities of women's lives all over the country. Thank you so much for watching this video.